Recently, I purchased this 18650 lithium-ion battery and a recommended circuit from Amazon, and I've been trying to figure out how this circuit works and how I can use it in my project. So the circuit is divided into two main sections. You can see this lower section is based off of the TP4056, which is a linear lithium-ion charger. And this top section here, which is based off of the SB6284 DC to DC converter. And what I'm trying to figure out is, where should I put a power switch in the system? If I put it before the converter, like here, that'll stop power loss, but it'll also prevent the battery from getting charged. But if I put it after the DC to DC converter, then it'll allow for charging of the battery, but it'll stop or it'll enable power loss in the system. So I'm kind of confused to where I should put this power switch.